Alright, welcome back to another fire extinguisher video. So today I'm going to be looking at the Amerex Model B402 ABC rated dry chemical fire extinguisher. So here it is. So as you can see right off the bat, this unit has a hose, a large easy to read instruction plate, sticker is pretty easy to see, got your Amerex label. And then you got yourself since this is a commercial unit, it's got a large loop pull pin. It makes it a lot easier to grab when in the event of emergency. And then the hose clamps on to the extinguisher itself. This wraps around, and so this extinguisher itself will hold its own parts. You got your wall mount back here. It's a wall hook. So you can hang this directly on the wall with the wall hook, and you can also buy another bracket so you can actually install this in your vehicle. So these got both of these slots underneath the handle. It's great for that. So the discharge nozzle. This one has the narrower one. So this will be a more direct point and shoot. So there's that. So this extinguisher can attack Class A, Class B, and it can also be used on Class C fires. Class A, ordinary combustibles, trash, wood, paper. Class B, flammable liquids. And then Class C, it's also used on live electrical equipment. So what's the UL rating on this? Since this thing can tackle all three, give you guys a close-up. This has a UL rating of 3A 40BC. So you're probably wondering, So let me break that down for you. So Class A. 3A is actually for 3.75 gallons of water. That's what you would use for Class A. 40 for Class B means this extinguisher can put out 40 feet. It can put out 40 square feet of flammable liquids, assuming it's spilled on the ground. And then Class C means the agent contained does not conduct electricity back at the operator, so it's safe to use on live electrical if you ever have to use it on something that's up and running. So you may have noticed the chain. I did swap the nylon pin holder for this little chain. I thought it'd be pretty cool. So Amerex does not provide these on their extinguishers. This is just a custom setup. So I think from here I'm going to go ahead and take this thing outside and see how this thing does on I'm going to do a couple fires with it. So I will be back here in just a minute. Alright, so I'm finally outside, got it all set up and ready, and finally ready for the test. So I have some cardboard boxes that'll act as Class A material, and I also have some gasoline in both those aluminum foil pans. So I'll be able to test both the Class A and B capabilities both at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff lit and get ready for the test. Alright, and the fire extinguisher is off the side. It's already ready. Alright, fire's going. Alright, so it'll just be a matter of time before it lights that fuel. So while I'm waiting, The best way to take off the tamper seal, you can swiftly pull it to get it off, but what I like to do is twist it. That's all I gotta do. Alright, that fire should light that fuel any second now. Hose is out, I'm ready to go. Alright, ready. Here we go. Chemical all over my camera. Well, at least it worked on the Class B. Some of that cardboard's still on fire. So, yeah. I guess in some cases it's harder to get some fires out. But I'll go ahead and move you guys closer so you can get a good look at it. As you can see, it made quite a mess, but that's to be expected with dry chemical extinguishers. So, managed to knock out most of it. Again, there's just that little bit there that's still burning. None of the fuel is still burning. I still see some liquid left in there, so I definitely worked on that. Alright, well, I'm gonna let this stuff burn. I need to get this stuff burned anyway, so otherwise, that was the video review of the Amerex Model B402. I'll be getting that recharged soon, and then I'll be going right back to service. So thank you all for watching.